All right, and welcome back once again, folks. We're out here with the grill fired up on a Sunday afternoon. Only fixing one steak today. It's a little thinner than the others. Got this one today at the store. I'm fixing it for my lunch tomorrow. Wife's got a big pot of vegetable soup on, so that's what we're having today, but take this one to work tomorrow. It's that time to go back. Christmas vacation is over. It's time for the sad truth to set in. Anyway, let's get this thing on here. I'm going to pull it off today at about 1:30. See what we come up with. Eat it just a little lighter than the rest of the ones we've been doing for the last couple of days. We got the grill all heated up. Let's get this thing on. Hold on. All right, you can hear it. We're going to leave it there for about 3 minutes and then turn it over for about 2. That ought to get us to about 1:30. Let's close the lid and we'll be right back with you. All right, it's been about 3 minutes on this side. Let's get this thing turned over. Oh yeah, look at that. Hold on right here. There's no garlic going on this one. Nothing really special. I didn't mix up the sauce, but I am gonna add a little bit of butter. We'll leave it alone for about 2 more minutes, then we'll check the internal temp. We ought to be good to go. Be right back, folks. As you can see, we've been about 2 minutes on this side. All right, we've reached 1:30. We're going to go ahead and call this one done. Look at that. Now, for any of y'all watching this, I did take this one off at 1:30. We're going to let it rest and see what it heats on up to. And there it is, folks. I took it off at 1:30, 1:31. It heated on up to about 1:36, so that's where I'm going to eat this one at. I take a lot of heat, no pun intended, for taking them off the grill around 1:40, 1:45. So this one here, I'm going to eat a little bit less cooked, I guess you might want to call it. Can't handle the rare ones. We're going to go with this one here. And if you liked the video, it was a short one, please like, share, subscribe. It seems like I've been putting up several cooking or grilling videos here lately. So, once again, have a good day. God bless. And remember, always eat more bacon. See you on the next one.